Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. And today I want to talk about a question that comes up all the time in my workshops and classes. People always ask me, Karen, can I sell to chain stores if I have zero sales history? I have a brand new product and I haven't sold it online, or I have very minimal sales, or it's brand new to the market. Do I go after the chain stores first? Do I start small? Do I grow? What's the situation here with chain stores, especially now with just so many products out there? Just any advice would be great. So I just want to walk you through some things to think about as to what you should consider if you have a brand new product and should you go after chain stores first. A little background about me before we get started. My name is Karen Waksman. I'm the founder of a company called Retail MBA. Taught tens of thousands of business owners across the globe on how to sell products to chain stores. And this question comes up all the time in my workshops and classes. You can take a look at what we're up to at retailmba.com. Anyways, let's talk about this question. So people really are concerned about this brand new product. So here's the deal. Some people think that they have to sell on Amazon and they have to do certain things before they can go after stores. And I'm here to tell you that we have clients who just want to get into Walmart and they just get into Walmart. They haven't sold their product anywhere before and they actually get into major chain stores. And then I have other clients who started slow and built up their business and eventually went after the chain stores. And honestly, the difference is, who are you as a human being? Some people are like, I am going after Walmart or whatever chain store it is, and I just want that account and I want to sell it to that particular retailer, and I don't care about anything else. I don't need to test the market out and all these things. I just want what I want. That person needs to go after a chain store like Walmart. Other people are nervous Nellies. They like to go a little bit slower, and they're a little bit more concerned about whether or not it's going to impact them long term. Whatever it is, if there's like a lot of heaviness for you in regards to going after the big stores first, start reaching out to the small to mid-sized stores, because you can start building out your business and it doesn't have to be any one way. So the short answer is, yes, you can go after chain stores on day one. You don't need sales. People will always tell you, oh, that's impossible. These retailers are looking for sell-throughs and all these things and proof and stuff like that. Yes, there are some retailers that are more complicated than others to start brand new with. For instance, Costco, right? So they buy by the pallets and they don't want to take you under. And so they want to make sure that you can handle manufacturing. And there's all sorts of other reasons why they want this. So they might not work with a person who hasn't sold their products anywhere before. Most likely not. There are other retailers like that. But some retailers have an entire division set up for testing new products out and making sure that whatever it is that they're putting in stores will be interesting to their clientele and so forth. And so they're looking for new, interesting innovation and so forth. So we've done live events with big chain stores like Walmart and Whole Foods and all these different retailers where we matchmake and help people out getting in front of retailers and so forth. And one of the things that came up was that these buyers were looking for people with tons of sales and stuff like that. Sure, why not? Why wouldn't they? However, they didn't pass up on the products that had not sold anywhere before. And the reason, again, is because they are dealing with a lot of competition, a lot of stuff's going out in the world. And so sometimes they can't get what they want. They see a new product, they know it's going to convert, they're willing to test the product out, and it didn't have to have sold anywhere else before. Now, a lot of Amazon sellers can't imagine not selling on Amazon first and then transferring over to retailers. But I'll be honest with you, if I was bringing a new product to market and I knew it was great for chain stores, I'd go after the chain stores, because I know that through our methodologies and so forth, that if I really believed in this product or whatever, I would conceivably go straight to the big leagues and try and make as much money as possible. And that's my personality. And that's why I always went after chain stores. I'm not the type to go opening up accounts door to door in small retailers locally and your boutiques and stuff like that. I know how to do it and so forth, but it doesn't mean that would be my go-to move. So again, it's a lot about personality, who you are, what inspires you. Again, we have so many clients who get into the big chain stores who've never sold their product anywhere before. The trick is that some may reject you a little bit more often than others, and it might take a little bit longer to get that first yes, but it happens, and it's not the only reason that a retailer buys yours, how much units you've sold and so forth. So I hope that gives you an idea of what to think about. If you want to learn exactly how to approach, pitch, and sell to retailers, how to get them to buy, take a look at the link below. We have a webinar coming up that is a 90-minute free training that you can sign up for, and it walks you through how to sell to stores. It's really powerful and it's free. And there's one coming up, and there's also replays and so forth. We do them often. So please join us. If you like this information, please subscribe. If you enjoy this, comment below. We really appreciate your support, and be on the lookout for additional content that we create. Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. Appreciate your time. Thanks so much.